Aloha and welcome to KTA Kitchens. I'm Chef Ryan Covert, and today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, simple recipe, Portuguese sausage and sweet chili cracker stuffed mushrooms. Let's get started with the ingredients. The ingredients for this recipe include Portuguese sausage, either mild or hot, roughly chopped, Diamond Bakery soda crackers, sweet chili. We have goat cheese, sweet chili sauce, minced garlic. We have cilantro that has been roughly chopped, and about 2 dozen of button mushrooms. It serves about 8 people. Let's get cooking. I have the oven preheating at 425 degrees. The next thing I want to show you is how to clean the mushrooms. Basically, you want to use a paper towel, and you just want to remove any excess dirt. You never want to use any water because they absorb all the moisture into the mushroom. So you just want to take the stem out of the mushroom, and I have a whole pan prepared. Let me grab that. Now we're going to prepare the filling for the stuffed mushrooms. So basically we're going to use a food processor. You're going to add your ingredients into it, the Portuguese sausage. With the soda crackers, I just like to break it up ahead of time in the package and then add it in. And next you add the goat cheese, the sweet chili sauce, the minced garlic, and the cilantro. And we're just going to pulse this into a rough consistency. You want to actually take off the top and scrape down the side for just a bit. And we're just gonna get a few more pulses. It's looking great. So all we need to do is stuff the mushrooms. So I have a majority of the mushrooms stuffed, but I just want to show you offhand how to do this. Basically, you just grab about a tablespoon of filling, and you're gonna just go around with a spoon and just put it into the mushroom. A few more to go, but I created this recipe for my mother-in-law. She really enjoys Portuguese sausage, goat cheese, and mushroom. So she wanted to do a dinner party, and I made this for her, and she truly enjoyed this, and I bet you will too. Now I just have the last one to go. Now, as you can see, I have my baking sheet already lined with tin foil and sprayed with cooking spray. I love to do this because it's easy for cleanup. We need to cook these for about 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown. Let's put these in the oven. The mushrooms came out of the oven about 10 minutes ago. They smell amazing and they look perfectly golden brown. Now for the best part, let's give this a taste. It's a pupu food, so don't mind your fingers. You really taste the cilantro. The Portuguese sausage comes out strong. The soda crackers adds a nice sweet chili sauce to it. You're really gonna enjoy this. I recommend pairing this with a pale ale, a glass of white wine such as Chardonnay, Pinot Grigio, or even a glass of red wine such as Pinot Noir. Thank you for joining me in KTA Kitchens. I'm Chef Ryan Covert. To find more recipes and this one, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes. Aloha.